Introducing the all-new Corolla.
It happened toward the end of this summer, says Acting Court Administrator Josh Tenorio. After the conclusion of a trial, it was discovered that methamphetamine, or ICE, had been stolen from an envelope that was part of evidence in a case.
And so based on that, the court went and did an extensive review. An internal investigation was launched with our local law enforcement or our court law enforcement officials.
Part of this investigation includes interviews with about 30 individuals, some court employees, as well as the entire jury panel that was part of that case. And while Superior Court Clerk Danielle Rossetti could not provide details of the investigation or whether any jurors were being eyed as potential suspects, she explains that procedures have changed for how jurors view evidence during jury deliberations. Before, jurors deliberated in a room where there are no cameras and no employees inside with them.
What we have done is we've improved some of the process and allowing so that we don't send in sensitive evidence to include drug contraband or money, for example. So we have allowed the jurors to view the evidence, but in the presence of the courtroom where there are cameras. And so the jurors are now brought back into the courtroom to view the evidence. Lawyers are informed of this process, and so it just means that they can see the evidence in the presence of the marshal and the clerk.
Tenorio says the court employee who was suspended is not suspected of stealing the drugs. The employee was reprimanded for failing to follow court policies.
I can't underscore the impact that we believe this has on the confidence and integrity of the judiciary. This is a very serious matter.